Let's warm up today with a little bit of math with money. Money matters, right? We'll practice some of the skills and strategies by solving how much money in different ways to show it. Okay. How much are these pennies worth? Mathematicians, they're pennies, so we count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These pennies are worth 8 cents. And every time I count to 5, I can actually use a nickel like this. And every time I count to 10, I could use a dime like this. Look at these two coins, and you can see that they actually look a little bit alike in their color, but they're different on the size and the thickness and the pictures on each side. So when I count to 8, do I get to 10? Is this more than or less than a dime? You're right, it's less than. Is it more than or less than a nickel? Yes, mathematicians, it's more than. I could think about it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and take those pennies away and put a nickel, and I'd have 5, 6, 7, 8 cents again. It's got a little glare on it, doesn't it? How many pennies are here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I skip counted. I got 12 cents. What other coins could I use for 12 cents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take these away, I could put a nickel. What else could I do? Mathematicians, did you see there were 5 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another nickel? 5, 10, 11, 12. You're right. Wait a minute. 5, 10. Could take those away and cash them in for a dime. 2 nickels equals a dime. 12 cents. All right, mathematicians, how are you doing with understanding pennies and nickels and dimes? 10. Now we're going at 5, so 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23 cents. What was another way to count those? If you know 5 and 5 is 10, we could have done 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. What other coins could you use for 23 cents? Mathematicians, what would you do with those 2 nickels? Would you trade those in for a dime or 10 pennies? You could do either, couldn't you? But which would be less coins for you to work with? To make it so you had 13 pennies. This is 10. We'd need 10 pennies and then 3 more. Or to take this away and say 5, 10 is the same as a dime, which is 10 and 23 cents. Today, mathematicians, we've warmed up by using pennies, nickels, and dimes. We're ready to go.